Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today I cook some ackee and chicken back guys. Yes, ackee and chicken back guys. As you can see, this is the last side chicken back when I have fried. You understand how I did. See me chicken back here guys, we don't fry me chicken back them. And see me ackee. Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do, cook some white flour dumpling with some chicken back and ackee guys. So watch your badness in our kitchen guys. Then I'm going to take out the chicken back inside. Then finish fry. You understand now these and I will put on the flour pot and I'm going to sew go on in our kitchen guys. Be your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm going to take out the chicken back then out our pot. Don't know the badness so guys. Guys, when I live tell you, a long time you know it's some chicken back and ackee with overs. So today I'm going to mash it some. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put on the flour pot. Some bad white flour dumpling. As you can see guys, knead up my flour already, you understand how I did. So guys, put on the pot, make your water go and boil. Guys, soon come back, stay tuned for the badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I'm going to drop in my flour then my pot go boil up now. Guys, my pot cover broke. Me tell you so my pot cover broke guys. You see, pot cover drop and broke. Yeah guys, so I'm going to drop some flour in our pot now. I'm going to sew go on in our kitchen. You understand how I did? Be a badness in our kitchen guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I don't know the badness come down already. Some white flour dumpling. Some ackee and chicken back. Jamaican style. There's no easy way. Don't give up on yourself. Go to your deep. Guys, some bad white flour, guys. Not too big, not too small. They don't know. Don't know man dumplings still. Ooh. Guys, I don't know the badness come down. Stay tuned and watch what go on in our kitchen. And guys, please remember, subscribe to the channel, like up the video, share up the video. click the notification bell as a video drop of it, guys. I soon come back. Yeah, guys, so wash off me, I keep them throw in a pot. Okay, guys. Baby, cause I'm missing you. You're driving me crazy. So guys, I'm gonna cut up some pepper and scallion. And I'm gonna see what I want. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so my ground season. This is my ground season. Overs. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna check for me aki them and see if them cook. I make them go and soak like more guys. And soon come back. Yeah guys, the aki and the flour them cook you know. Guys, I'm gonna take me aki out of the pot. Aki they can't nicer. Yeah guys, so see me aki. Yeah. Light up the stove, put on the pot. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on in the pot now. Guys, I will on the pot. The overs. Make it so I go on. Finishing look. We need a plate guys. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look on the chicken back and ackee. With my white flour dumpling guys. I don't know how the badness come down. Yeah guys, I'm out guys. See you in our next video guys. I'm out.